If you're aiming to create a comprehensive smart home experience centered around Alexa, the Ring Battery Doorbell Plus is a solid choice for securing your front door. The seamless integration between a Ring doorbell and an Echo Show is a key highlight. When someone rings the doorbell, the Echo Show can instantly display a live video feed of your front door, providing a convenient and hands-free way to see who's there. All Ring devices are designed to work effortlessly with Alexa. This integration allows users to control their Ring devices and stream video feeds using voice commands and touch controls, creating a cohesive and intuitive smart home ecosystem.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.